A second chance to ride the Ethereum rocket? Investors are always looking for the next big thing. They want to find those rocket ships headed for the moon. Well, what if you missed the first launch? What if you missed Ethereum's incredible rise? Don't worry, there might be a second chance. The Fidelity Ethereum Fund, or FETH, has taken a dip. And that has a lot of people asking, is this a buying opportunity? Is this our chance to get in on the ground floor? Let's be clear, I'm not saying this is a sure thing. Investing never is. But when we see a price drop like this, it's time to dig in and do our homework. We need to see if this is just a blip or a sign of something more. That's what we're going to do today, folks. We're going to break down FETH, look at the technicals, and see if this is a hidden gem or a trap. Diving for discounts. Is FETH a bargain? Bottom fishing. It's a time-honored tradition on Wall Street. When a stock, or in this case an ETF, takes a tumble, the brave and the bold start looking for a bargain. They're looking for that chance to buy low and sell high. And you know what? Sometimes it works. But you gotta be careful. FETH gives investors direct access to Ethereum. Ethereum is like the cool younger brother of Bitcoin. It's not just a digital currency, it's a whole platform for decentralized applications. That means it's got potential, real potential, but potential doesn't always translate to profits. We need to look at the numbers. Charting the course, technical signals and trends. Now I love a good chart. Charts don't lie. They tell the story of what's really going on with an asset. And right now, FETH's chart is telling an interesting story. We've seen a pullback, but is it a sign of weakness or just a healthy correction? We need to look at the moving averages, the RSI, the MACD. These indicators give us clues. They tell us if the momentum is shifting. They tell us if the bulls or the bears are in control. And right now it's a tug of war. We're seeing some bullish signals, but we need confirmation. The Bitcoin connection, riding the crypto wave. You can't talk about Ethereum without talking about Bitcoin. They're like two peas in a pod. When Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum usually follows, and vice versa. So, what's Bitcoin doing? Well, Bitcoin has been on a tear. It's been breaking records, and that's got a lot of people excited about the entire crypto market. If Bitcoin continues its upward trajectory, Ethereum could be in for a wild ride. But remember, what goes up can also come down. The bottom line: risk versus reward in the Ethereum Sea. So, is FETH a good investment? Like everything in the market, it depends. It depends on your risk tolerance, it depends on your investment timeline, and it depends on your belief in the future of Ethereum. There's no doubt that Ethereum has potential. It's a revolutionary technology, but it's also volatile. It's a roller coaster ride. If you're thinking about jumping in, start small. Dip your toes in the water before you dive headfirst, and always have an exit strategy.